We are Paranormal Task Force, a St. Louis-based paranormal investigation team.
We've been everywhere and we've seen it all, and we do it the real way.
We're at Eastern State Penitentary, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, possibly one of the creepiest places in the United States. It's a great place to bring our new recruits to test their courage and see how well they can handle the darkness.
Oh my God.
By the end of the next 2 days, we hope that the 2 recruits will be officially members of the Paranormal Task Force.
We just want to see if these 2 recruits have exactly what it takes. All right, guys, you've completed a lot of training. Hopefully you can remember everything that we've taught you. One of the things that I taught you along with Bobby was interviewing and researching. How crucial and important it is to do your research first. That's probably where you should start on any investigation, is to do the research.
You guys learned about an awful lot of equipment. You know, a lot of it you probably hadn't heard of before, hadn't used before, hadn't seen before. Did you have any questions about any of the equipment we went through?
I just know that using it more frequently will give us a better opportunity to learn the equipment and be more efficient with it.
Especially when it comes to your digital cameras and your digital voice recorders, every one is different. There's different settings on each one. It's very important that you get intimate with that piece of equipment and you know exactly how it works.
Right.
All right?
I covered the EMF meter. Do you think you fully understand those? You have any questions or any concerns on those?
It's difficult to use unless you get a baseline.
Yeah,
unless you get a baseline, it's going to be completely useless.
Excellent. That's excellent.
And one of the things that I talked to you guys about was kind of the non-traditional type of equipment, which is the dowsing rods.
I don't know, something's on this left side.
It's very interesting to see how reactive something so simple can be compared to the EMF meter and the digital cameras and all the nice equipment.
For me personally, the dowsing rods definitely kind of, you know, stood out. Put them in my hands, freaked me the heck out.
Another thing that I covered with you guys was the walkthrough.
There's a giant metal cage type object in the middle. Make sure we don't step over that when we come back and it's dark out.
What do you guys take from the walkthrough?
I think it was important that you guys instilled safety because it's probably not something that someone thinks about.
Yeah.
You don't stop and think about it when you're really just, you're really excited to go into the investigation. Yeah. So it kind of made us stop and think. This is someone else's space, it isn't ours, so make sure you're being respectful and watch everything around you.
Excellent, okay.
You've learned all of these great lessons that will help you be the professional you need to be. But the greatest thing is going out and doing what you're going to do, which is doing an actual investigation. That's the exciting part, is being in the dark, waiting for that first ghost, and being a true paranormal investigator.
Based on what you guys know about Eastern State Penitentiary, what are your thoughts of it? Is it haunted or not?
I'd say we don't have enough evidence to say that it's haunted. I mean, we've collected a lot of things with the dowsing rods. We got an immediate reaction walking down the hall, which was really great. The night vision camera, we caught something in there. We're not sure what it is. So I think that there definitely is some sort of paranormal activity, but as far as what it is, we don't know. Possibly further investigating it, we might be able to find out.
Dennis, your thoughts?
Now that we know a lot more than we did in the beginning, I think I can safely say that, you know, there is some activity here.
Very good.
I think that we just need to find more.
Okay. Well, I think you guys have learned a lot. You guys think you're ready to go out now for your real investigation?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay. And because you guys have completed your training, we'd like to make you guys honorary members of the Paranormal Task Force.
Thanks, guys.
Thank
No
you.
problem. Thanks, guys.
It's been really great working with you guys.
It's been wonderful. Thank you.
Not fun stuff.
Yeah.
Well done. Excellent.